South Korea today had the most coronavirus cases it's seen on a Tuesday in 6 months. There are usually fewer cases earlier in the week because fewer tests are done the weekend before. Social distancing is set to be eased this Thursday, July 1st, but the capital area will be stepping up inspections of businesses to make sure they're following the rules. Do-yeon has the details.
With 2 days to go before the eased restrictions take effect, South Korea saw an alarming number of daily cases on Tuesday. 595 seems to be on par with recent daily tallies, but when compared to other Tuesdays, it's a high number. Because of fewer tests over the weekend, Tuesdays usually have much lower numbers. This Tuesday's tally is more than 200 cases higher than from a week before, and the highest for a Tuesday in 25 weeks. Currently, the capital region accounts for nearly 80% of the sharp increase since last month, which was at around 65%. In response, the mayors of Seoul and Incheon, as well as the governor of Gyeonggi-do province, sat down with Prime Minister Kim Boo-kyum to devise plans that will ensure the situation doesn't get out of control. For 2 weeks beginning in July, the Seoul capital area will concentrate on identifying facilities which violate prevention measures through on-site inspections.
There will be a zero-tolerance policy for prevention measure violations, and legal action will be taken, including fines. If such violations are repeated, businesses in the same sector in that area could all be shut down.
Other special measures include local governments in the capital region setting up makeshift screening centers at cluster infection sites. Prime Minister also addressed the Delta variant concern, saying while the vaccinated could take their masks off outdoors from July, if the Delta variant causes a spike in cases, that exemption will have to be canceled.
Due to not being on their toes, even just for a second, when dealing with COVID-19 variants, countries with the fastest and model examples in vaccination had to tighten their prevention measures. For example, after eased restrictions in the UK, COVID-19 spread quickly starting from the non-vaccinated, leading to 20,000 daily cases from 1,000 just last month.
He added that relaxed measures come with greater responsibility from individuals, and that if those aren't followed, things will only get stricter. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.